Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the governor and linkage adjustment for a 96 Cr125. This is the same pretty much from 1990 all the way to 99 from what I understand. Here's a print off showing how to properly set your arm, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute here. So the first thing you're going to do when you're trying to set your arm is you're going to align this pin up with the mating surface, and then you're going to take your governor and you're going to insert it. When you do this, it's going to pull the arm into position. Just like that. So now you can see the position of the arm is moved. And now the hard part is to get it on the bike engine without the governor falling off. Sometimes you'll have to stick something like a screwdriver in here and rotate the gear just slightly so that it falls down. Be careful not to damage your gasket when you're doing this. Really helps if you have an engine stand. There it goes. Now you just put your bolts back in where you got them from. When you put your bolts in, you're going to want to do them in a cross pattern. And you're going to want to torque them down. On my bike it says it's 7 foot-pounds. I already have my torque wrench set. You're going to want to torque them in the same style pattern. Then I go over one more time just to make sure every bolt's properly torqued, that I didn't miss any. So the next step in setting your valves is to crack the Allen wrench loose. Then you're going to pull this until you get a small gap on the spring. Then you'll set the Allen wrench. Then you're going to go on the opposite side of the engine and do the same thing. Loosen up your Allen wrench. Make sure there's a small gap between the spring. Tighten the Allen wrench back up. And that's pretty much it. I'm not going to be putting my side cover on today because I had to order a new pin. Do not forget to put your pin in. When I took this bike apart, this pin was broken and fell into the case down here. So I have to order a new pin. I forgot to do that when I ordered all my other parts. Also, I was going to do a video on the full takedown of this engine. Unfortunately, my phone ran out of storage space and stopped recording like 5 minutes in. I didn't realize it. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to do the full teardown of this. Hopefully this helps you with setting your exhaust valves. And stay tuned for next time.